Welcome back to Vivid Impressions. Today we will travel to one of the most beautiful and mysterious corners of Lithuania, Asveja Regional Park. If you are looking for places that are not overcrowded with tourists, but are full of undiscovered beauties, this video is for you. Lake Serene is the beginning of our journey. Its calm waters invite you to stop and enjoy the natural landscape. The springs and streams that cross our route revive the spirit of nature. Their gentle rustling brings peace, and the clarity of the water invites you to touch the natural force of nature. Lake Jagaman, surrounded by forests and legends, is a place where the summer sun shines in a special way. According to legends, the gold of the French soldiers was hidden here. Perhaps this lake hides more than just natural beauty. The mysterious barrows are hidden near Lake Jagaman, a place where nature and history merge into one. Rumor has it that lost souls can be found here. The Devil Lake is a place where nature is playful and unpredictable. All kinds of pranks are said to take place here, but that only adds to its uniqueness. Other lakes in Asveja Park are hidden deep in the forests, which look like in a fairy tale. Here, nature whispers its secrets, and every step can lead to a new discovery. And here we have reached the finish line of our trail. This trip was full of adventure, discovery, and peace. Nature here is a place where time stops and the heart finds peace. Thank you for being with us on this wonderful regional park trail. If you want to experience more natural wonders, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Until the next meetings in nature.